Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to vividly unpack Pixeva's interactive photo challenges feature. Honestly, if you've ever hosted an event, you absolutely know the struggle of getting guests to actually share all those amazing, candid photos they're hoarding on their phones. Well, we're looking at a feature designed to completely flip that dynamic and bring your event to life. Okay, so let's dive right into this by addressing a universal pain point. We've all seen event photos scattered across dozens of phones, trapped in dead group chats, or just totally forgotten the morning after. So the big question we're answering today is, how do you turn a quiet crowd into a booming, interactive photo frenzy? How do we instantly electrify the room and get literally everyone eagerly participating? Here is the crucial point. Launching a photo challenge drives exactly 3 times more guest uploads. I mean, that is a massive spike in engagement. By turning photo sharing into a friendly, totally frictionless competition, you're keeping the energy absolutely electric all night long. No memory gets left behind on someone's camera roll. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll be covering igniting your event's energy, creating the photo challenge, guest submissions and voting, crowning the live winner, and finally, unlocking with your plan. Starting off with Section 1, igniting your event's energy. Once voting actually opens at your venue, you achieve a near total 94% guest participation. Just think about that number for a second. Almost every single person in the room becomes actively engaged with the event. It completely eliminates the passive observer and turns your attendees into an active, super connected community. Moving on to Part 2, creating the photo challenge. The setup here is just incredibly intuitive. First, you simply decide the theme, maybe it's best shot or funniest candid, and set a prize, like a dinner for 2. Next, you set the challenge duration to build up that perfect sense of urgency. And then, you just push it live to your venue's big screen in a matter of seconds. It's seamless, zero technical headaches for you as the organizer. Picture this happening in real time. A massive, glowing QR code projects right onto your live photo wall, instantly inviting everyone in the room to play. Because projected screens naturally capture attention, this acts as a giant visual magnet, motivating your guests to pull out their phones and start sharing their very best shots right away. Which brings us to Section 3, guest submissions and voting. The user experience here is beautifully frictionless. Guests just scan the QR code to enter with absolutely zero apps to download. It all happens right in their browser. From there, it's like second nature. They just swipe through the submissions and double tap to cast their vote. And to keep the suspense at a total fever pitch, the vote tallies remain completely hidden from the crowd until the challenge officially closes. And you aren't just limited to one type of game. You have complete creative freedom to dictate the vibe of the competition, making sure guests capture the exact memories you want to preserve. You want raw emotion? Run a best candidate challenge. Going for laughs? Try a funniest moment challenge. It basically turns your entire guest list into a highly motivated team of second shooters. Okay, on to Part 4, crowning the live winner. The momentum has been building all night, so picture this. The music swells, attention turns to the front of the room, and a brilliant golden crown spins onto your live wall projection. It dynamically reveals the winning photo, along with the guest's name, to a cheering crowd. It's this high-energy, big-screen reveal that transforms a simple photo upload into a major entertainment highlight for the whole evening. At the end of the day, this feature is really all about pure human emotion. Take Emma, a recent bride. She gets to see her first dance celebrated as a magical moment by everyone she loves, right there on the wall. It's all about amplifying joy and creating a truly shared moment of celebration. Finally, Section 5, unlocking with your plan. Now, Pixeva doesn't lock this amazing feature behind some giant enterprise paywall. Whether you're a professional photographer running multiple gigs on the pro plan, an agency scaling up on the business plan, or just a host throwing a one-off party using the flat rate event pass, photo challenges are fully included for you. That means even if you're just using a single event pass for a family reunion, you can still create that exact same magical, interactive, big screen experience. I really hope this explainer showed you just how easy it is to elevate your event from a standard gathering to an interactive spectacle. With 0 apps to download and a setup that takes mere seconds, you've got everything you need to spark incredible engagement. So I'll leave you with this. Are you ready to ditch those quiet group chats and turn your next event into an unforgettable interactive experience? What challenge are you going to create first?